Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I don't do many types of these videos, but I get all kinds of offers, just like other YouTubers get all kinds of offers for all kinds of devices and all kinds of things. And I don't usually take the offers, but I was in the market for a new chair, and eWin Racing happened to reach out. And I mean, it was just a few weeks ago, just a couple of weeks ago, and it was literally, they reached out and I thought, you know what? You've been looking for a chair. Let's try one of these. So full disclosure, they did send me this chair. I do have an affiliate link. Let me tell you how the interaction with them went. The lady reached out to me and she said, hey, would you be interested in demoing this chair, trying this chair? I said, sure. So then they wrote back and they asked me my height and my weight. And so I wrote back, and no, I'm not going to tell you. I'm sure there'll be lots of guessing going on in the comments. But I wrote back, and they wrote back and they said, okay, there are two models of chair that we recommend. And the first one was this Flash XL. And the other one was this eWin Calling Series. And it's narrower. And so it fits through my office door. You can see the headrest behind me, but it does have the lumbar support and the support back here. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to do a 2-week follow-up on this, because I'm not just going to blindly stick my name on it. So I'm going to do a 2-week follow-up video. So mark your calendars, 2 weeks from today, which should be January 15th, 2024. I'm going to do a follow-up video, and then I'll push the affiliate links if I think the chair is going to be good. Right now, just sitting in it, it looks pretty good. So I'll tell you what, I will put this affiliate link down there, because I do think it does save you some money, and I think I might get a percentage. I'm not sure. This is not an official endorsement of the chair yet, though, but a lot of you will probably go look at this, and so I'm going to go ahead and put the affiliate link down below. They did send me this chair. It's typically $359 USD right now with the sale and everything. It looks like it's $269. So let me show you what it was like, what came in the box, and what it was like to put it together. Okay, so the box was 66 pounds. It was delivered directly by FedEx. However, for some reason, they couldn't get it to the front door. They left it out by the garage. So 66 pounds, not back-breaking, but I don't want to carry 66-pound boxes all the time, right? So it's a nice, hefty chair. You can see here, this is the back. They pre-mounted the lumbar and the neck support. Then you have adjustable arms, and then there's this little ratchet over here, because I can actually change how far I lay back or lean forward. This is the bottom where your wheels go, and then this is the accessory kit. All right, let me go to the next picture. They send a pair of gloves in the kit. I thought that was kind of neat, and they are a little tacky on the fingers, so you can grip things. So I did wear them for a little bit, ended up taking them off. And then there you can see the wheels. There are covers for the side, the piston that goes down below, and then the height adjustment. And there's a close-up of what the back looks like and the seat. And then here are the instructions. There are literally only 14 instructions. And if you get used to reading, so what you do is you read this way and then down and then over and down and then over. Assembly takes probably less than 15 minutes. So you just got to get it done. Don't be afraid to put your chair together. That's what the back and the seat look like together. That's the bottom mounting the apparatus that controls, the height of the chair, and also attaches the wheels. So the piston goes right in there. And that's what the wheelbase looks like with the piston in it. And then this is what the chair looks like assembled, and now it is behind me. So I am going to use this chair for 2 weeks. Thank you to eWin Racing for sending this out. But I am going to sit in it for 2 weeks every day, because I'm in my office every day. And in 2 weeks, I'll let you know exactly what I think and if I'm going to officially endorse this chair. So thank you to eWin Racing. Thank you to all of you for watching this. If you're looking at a chair, keep your eye on this. I'm going to tell you, it's only been about 15 minutes since I've had it put together, but it is actually, it is actually pretty comfy. I could probably kick back and take a nap in this. So let me know what you think. If you own an eWin racing chair, let me know. Let me know what kind of chair brands you have. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow me on Twitter and TikTok. Those links are down below, along with affiliate links and a Patreon link. And if you need IT consulting, head on over to williehowe.com, fill out the contact form, and someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Once again, I'm Willie. Come back in 14 days to see if I officially endorse this chair. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.